What's up, YouTube? What we got for y'all today? Twist sponge. How to use a twist sponge. You can take a natural hair like this. You're gonna get a good look. We're gonna take the high top fade like this, and we're gonna put. You can do it dry. Some people's texture, like his hair texture, you can do it dry. All right, but some people you want to put a little gel in there or twist sponge gel. Yes, fresh,
brand new.
Yeah. The key you got to remember, when you put it on, you grab it wide. When you put it on, you press. You don't have to press too hard. You just press lightly. And you want to go in a circular motion. Now, what you're doing now, you make sure that the whole time, now right now I'm going clockwise, okay? The whole time, it has to be clockwise. Even if I tilt the front like this to get this part, that's this way. I tilt the front there, but my circle is still clockwise. I'm going to my right. Now, I can't start clockwise and then turn it to counterclockwise. If you start one direction, you're gonna have to go that direction the whole time. The whole time. Okay? Now, if you want the sides to knot up, you got to put it on the side. Now, some textures work better than others. Dry without gel. Now we're gonna put some gel on there.
Some gel.
And what the gel does,
Gorilla Snot,
is it makes the hair grab the hair next in the hole. When it creates the twist, it holds together better.
Okay. Give it some form.
Yeah. Get in there real good. You want to rub it in there good. Alrighty.
Go back in with it.
It's in real time, y'all. I didn't speed up the video. I'm just trying to get done. All right. I'm still going the same direction. I'm going clockwise because I started clockwise.
Yep.
So I'm sticking with that direction. I'm turning to my right. All right. Now y'all see, he got more twists.
The more and more you do it.
All right. So it just depends on, and every hair texture is different. Some hair textures take less times around than others.
But mine's is like more dry, so it's gonna take a little longer.
There we go.
There you go.
So once again, many times you need
Oop.
You have different sponges. Check it out. You have one with more holes and smaller holes. They're smaller and you get more of them.
Okay, I see what you mean.
Okay? Then you have one with
Yeah.
even smaller holes.
Man.
But then you got some that has like the little knuckles on it.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. That's the one I got.
That's the one that works better on longer hair.
Okay. Alright.
So, till next time, YouTube, Jason Barber, Educator. Like, share, subscribe.